Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your ChatGPT history. To delete your ChatGPT history, first of all, open up the ChatGPT application on your device and then from the home page after logging in, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, tap on the three dots right next to your username at the bottom and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, click on Data Controls. Inside Data Controls, go ahead and look for Delete All Chats button and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Confirm, and by doing that, this will delete your chat history quickly and easily from the application. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.